Hi guys, so first things first, my hair is straight obviously because we are going to be putting heat protection spray and also curling it. Guys, if you want the simple version of this hair tutorial, you're in the right place. If you want the more intricate Daphne tutorials, I have found so many other YouTubers that have done such an amazing job with intricate looks. Now, if you're just a huge fan of Bridgerton, but you don't have a whole lot of time, but you still want that kind of Daphne look, now this is a tutorial for you. You're gonna take like 1-inch sections of your hair and a big barreled curling iron, and you're just going to kind of curl inwards. I'm so sorry if the video flips in and out. My camera died multiple times and I thought it was charged, so I had to flip different cameras, but it's super simple. This is an easy look. I know my fringe is very cringy right now. I hate the way I look like this. I feel like I look like an alien or something, but that's how Daphne's hair looked. But I mean, I know I look kind of weird, and well, I look really weird. So you just want to make sure every piece is curled inwards, and towards the end you will just pin them up to get more of a hold and leave it on for 5 minutes. Then when those 5 minutes are done and the curls are no longer hot, you are going to pull out all of those pins. This is a super quick and easy. I'm telling you, this took me like, I think maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And just pull out all those curls. Or pins, I mean, you don't want to pull the curls out. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to make it look very Bridgerton. So if you want to be Daphne for Halloween, or you just like her look or a huge fan of her, this is what you can do. So make sure all the curls go into each other. So you're gonna wanna grab the pieces and kind of rub it around your finger, or like twist it, I mean. And then to get the style, all I'm doing is pulling my hair from the front, making sure my ears are exposed, taking a regular hair tie and just pulling it away from my face. Super easy. If you're a redhead, this is, or strawberry blonde, you're gonna definitely nail this look. Even if you're a brunette, of course you are, but I'm just saying that her hair is more on the reddish blonde side. If you have a short fringe, that would be cool too. I know, I just felt like I looked so weird, but I mean, it looked pretty Daphne. Take a huge black bow, and this will complete the first look. This one is the simpler way without the bun. I preferred this way. I thought it was very cute. I love this style. Girly, very vintage. So now the next thing I'm gonna do, it's just also still very simple, is create a little bun like so. It's not intricate at all like her hair is in the show, but like I said, you get the idea and the concept. I really wanna make this easy for you guys and easy to follow, and something that is not nearly impossible to do, especially if you're on a time crunch. As you can see, I just have a tiny little bun, and then I bobby pinned it down, and then I'm gonna put the bow over it to kind of seamlessly hold down the bun. And you guys will have that Bridgerton look. And if you watch Bridgerton, I would know that your hair looks just like Daphne's. If you don't watch Bridgerton, then you just look like a vintage beauty. So either way, it's a win-win, and you look adorable either way. And personally, I really love this look. I felt like my hair was the perfect length for Daphne. Usually my hair, I usually need extensions. I don't have enough hair. Finally, there is a character out there that has a similar hair type to mine, although her hair is way prettier than mine. And here we are. I felt like very Daphne. Let me know if you guys liked this look. I do have an Eloise makeup tutorial coming right after this, so if you guys enjoy this, give it a thumbs up, and hope you're excited for Eloise. And this is just me trying to fix the fringe the best that I can. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!